Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech-focused content. Today, we're taking a look at TurboScores, a platform dedicated to providing live sports scores and information. Accessed via their website, www.turboscores.com/fr specifically for French-speaking users, TurboScores offers a comprehensive resource for keeping up with the sporting world. While the site itself appears geared towards a French audience given the FR extension, it's likely that they offer similar services in other regions and languages. It's worth exploring their main domain to see the full breadth of their coverage. Sports fans can find real-time updates on matches, including current scores, game statistics, and potentially even live play-by-play data. The exact features and depth of information available on TurboScores remain to be seen, but accessing the website directly is the best way to explore everything they offer. It's important to note that the site's URL suggests a French focus, so users seeking information on sports popular in French-speaking regions might find this resource particularly valuable. This could include football, soccer, rugby, cycling, tennis, and other prominent sports in those areas. It's highly recommended to visit the website and browse through its various sections to fully understand the extent of its coverage. They may offer detailed information on leagues, tournaments, and individual player statistics. While we can't confirm the precise data available without direct experience on the platform, it's clear that TurboScores aims to be a one-stop shop for live sports scores, especially for French-speaking sports enthusiasts. For those interested in staying updated on the latest sporting events, especially in French-speaking regions, TurboScores appears to be a valuable resource worth investigating. Don't hesitate to explore the website and see what they have to offer. Again, the website address is www.turboscores.com/fr. Remember to like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech reviews and insights.